ಇಂದು ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ August 1, 2024. Ismail Haniyeh of Hamas killed in Iran. Government gives notice to CM on MUDA scam. Congress government is marred in corruption. Narayanam Swamy. Police officer tried to frame me in Kotnur discretion case.
Officials told to ensure no loss of life due to rain for floods. Chalavadi Narayana Swamy visit flowed him from farm fields in Yadgir. KBGNL increases outflow from Basavasagar into the Krishna.
All over Kerala's disaster response. June core center growth slow to 4%. RBI proposes increase for safer digital payment. Newspaper is over.